Alright, we are here at the Valley Forge in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And look what I found, another elevator. It's another Otis series one. Machine room's right there. Or maybe it's in there. This one has a replacement button, so this one may be a little bit newer. Listen to the motor. Otis interlock and your sensor. Ooh, nudge mode. Here's your cab view. It's pretty basic but nice older Otis Series 1 elevator. Ooh, harsh stop there. Ooh, see, red indicator. Love those red indicators, see? There's your better view of the show. Yep. Red indicator. We go to 4 down. Boom. Coming down. Come down. I got the door.
Thank you. Here's a parcel of us. A parcel.
There's room.
Thank you, sir.
Is anyone else coming?
That's it.
That's it.
Y'all are going one, right?
Yes.
Just making sure.
Yes, thank you.
Ooh. See, this one does some harsh stops. You know there's another elevator over there, right? That one doesn't really do the harsh stops. That one's smoother when stopping.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I think this elevator is actually newer than the other one. And it's the same exact one, only it's center opening doors as opposed to the single slide thing. Should have taken it around. Just want to experience that jolt again. Listen again. It was a funny jolt that everyone experienced. We all were laughing, as you could hear a few seconds ago. 4, 1. You kind of see in there, look. Ooh, harsh stop. This elevator tow. Watch your close up. Close. There it goes, and that's it.